Hey my Internet Troopers, my name is Bayo Game and welcome to another LEGO review. Here we have an Infinity Saga set. Now this is pretty much the iconic slow-mo shot of Avengers Age of Ultron. Now I saw this yesterday at the mall, I was walking around with my girl buddy, we went to the LEGO store section and well, I saw this and I just had to get it. I saw it, I had to get it. I mean, it has all 6 of the original Avengers from the first movie and all of them together in one set. I had to get it. So this for ages 10 and up. This is set number 76291. The Avengers Assemble, Age of Ultron. 613 pieces. Nice. And the characters in the set is Iron Man, Black Widow, Captain America, Thor, Hawkeye, Hulk, and 3 Hydra Troopers. Here we have the actual size of a minifigure, which is Hawkeye, Lego Marvel. Ooh. And of course on the back of the box, it has to show all the features that the set has. But we will get to that once I build it. So, let's see. Ah, yes. Punch holes, punch holes. There's no need for my knife. Punch holes, punch holes. That way I don't take my own life. Okay. There we go. All right, so we have bag number 2, bag number 3, Hulk's body piece, bag number 5, bag number 4, instructions, bag number 1, and bag number 6. All right, let's get to building. Alright, the set's done. Let's go over it. First off is Hawkeye. Now I do love this new version of the Hawkeye minifigure. I mean, I do love the new hairpiece. It looks very similar to the actor himself. He's got these two little red lines on his clothing here, like a little trench coat. And I do love the leg printing though. And this time he has one of those what's it called? It's something that holds the arrows. I forgot the name for it. And his crossbow, well, I didn't like it at first. I mean, I just thought they were going with something a little more simple. I mean, I was gonna replace it with the one that he had back in 2012. But after looking back to the movie, it looked a lot more similar to the one in the movie, so I just left it alone. And well, he only has one face. Not sure what's up with that. And well, again, I do like this new hair model piece. It looks very good. It looks very good. Now here we have Black Widow. Now I do like this figure, but my one problem is I was kind of hoping that she would have like the arm printings, where she would have like those little bracelets that just shoot like a little electric shocks. But I mean, I do like the printing on the body here. I mean, it looks you know, they're trying to make it more movie accurate, and well, they added more detail to these figures, and I mean, it's got the blue lining, the utility belt with the Black Widow logo. She comes with like a little, I actually don't know what kind of gun that is. And of course, she has the iconic hair piece that looks very similar to Scarlett Johansson's when she had the short hair. And okay, got this nice little smirky smile right here. And one where she's angry, where she's getting ready for battle. And yeah, I mean, the suit has a more silverish tone. I do like that, you know, a little light reflection. Now here we have the God of Thunder himself, Thor. Now, I understand that nobody likes these new rubber capes, but honestly, I like them. I think they're pretty cool. I mean, they look a little more movie accurate. I mean, sure, you can't position them in the way you want it, but I mean, I like them. I think they're really cool. And so I love all this new detail. Again, like I said with Black Widow, they're adding a lot more detail into their minifigures. So he's got the silver arms. I do love this little body printing here. I mean, it looks like very, very similar to the movie. So he's got like a little scraggly beard with a little bit of gray into it. I'm not sure why. Of course, we got this iconic hairpiece from 2012. Not sure why he would need this, because well, I mean, his eyes were never they never had any lightning effects in Age of Ultron. He didn't get that until Thor Ragnarok. And of course, he's got back printing as well. That's cool. And I do love like this new lightning piece for his hammer, you know, like yeah, it looks so good. I really like this. Now here we have the Incredible Hulk. Now I do absolutely love these new Big Fig models. I mean, it just looks so good. Okay, so yes, well, a lot of people prefer like the old 2012 Hulk because like he was more greener, but I mean it's supposed to be more movie accurate because like, well, he has a bit of a yellowish tone, and well, this is very similar to like every other Big Fig of, you know, Hulk. And well, actually, this is the only Big Fig of Hulk that I have. I used to have the 2012 and 2015, but I lost those both. So of course, it's very, very basic. It's just head, body, and 2 arms, 2 hands. You know, the head's molded into the body, and this time you can turn the head, which is super cool. I mean, I didn't like this at first when I saw this with Thanos, and thought it was kind of ridiculous, but I mean, honestly, I like this. I like this. I mean, you can position it any way you want. I mean, you can turn it easily, you know, just it doesn't have a double-sided face. He's got a hairpiece. That's cool. And yeah, this time he's got like 4 little what's the name for it? Well, it's just I'm assuming that's for like a minifigure. If you want a minifigure to ride him, just yeah, like that. Yeah, like that. And I do love the pants. I mean, so like when 2015's Lego Hulk made an appearance, like they were completely purple with a little bit of red with an Avengers logo. But yeah, I mean, it wasn't very movie accurate, but I mean, I do like this. So little comparison, a face comparison here. The eyes they appear to be a little bigger and more close to each other. And he's got like bushy eyebrows, but the hair looks very similar. I do like that. Okay, so here we have the Hydra soldiers. Now I actually really do love like the printings here. I mean, like it's pretty much just like they got their hands on the Chitauri army's like weaponry and armor, and their flying vehicles, and they made weapons of their own. I do like this, you know, like the bit of a purple and gold, you know, just the Chitauri looks, and like a lot of white, and I guess to match up the snow, since they were in a snow fortress. And so one of them has like a little jetpack, and they each come with like little these new stud shooters here. So you just press down here, and yeah, this is really cool. I like this. Now here we have Iron Man. Okay, so yes, this new helmet model piece has been out for quite some time now, probably a few years now. And well, when I first saw it, I thought it looked ridiculous. I mean, I really hated it, you know, because I always prefer like the older model. And well, I mean, as I put this together, I mean, it's a lot, you know, it's how do you describe this? Well, you know, once you open the helmet, it feels smoother, you know, it feels like it feels better quality. How else do you describe this? I mean, like the newer ones, they just easily fall off nowadays. You know, the mask falls off the helmet, and well, I mean, it's got like a smoother texture. I mean, it looks very similar to all the others in the movies. I mean, this time the mask is printed on, and well, I mean, honestly, I like this. I like this. I mean, it just, you know, you can easily take this off, snap it back on. It won't come off. I mean, I think it's pretty much stuck on there. I don't want to risk it because I don't want to mess up the joints that hold it together. And well, yeah, I mean, I do like this. I like it. You know, it's grown on me. And of course, we got this the iconic. I mean, well, this has been a thing since 2018 where he's got the face printing with all the holographic things where he just gives him status and all that, and of course one where he's giving this little smirk. And I do love the detail they put onto this figure. I mean, little comparison here with the with the other Mark 43. Yeah, nice, more lighting detail into that. Oh man, that looks so good. This time he's got printing on his feet. And so in the set this time he has the the little the transparent blue tube pieces for his feet, because this is something they did back in 2012. Not sure why they had me do this again for the 2015 set, but no matter, I can easily fix that. let me just steal one little stud for these, for each hand. Put it underneath his feet. And let me just find the right piece. Yeah, these ones right here. These will look good. Let me just find the other small one. Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, there you go. And finally, here we have the first Avenger, Captain America. Now, I love this figure. Now, yeah, it's pretty much like every other Captain America figure that we see nowadays. But this time, they decided to give him like a little strap here to hold his shield on his back. I mean, well, a little bit too much space there, but it's fine. You know, it's just Lego. Now, back in 2019, I was not a fan of these new Captain America like mask pieces, because like I thought it looked stupid, because I always preferred like when they were just printed onto his head. But it grew on me because, you know, more movie accuracy. So there's one face where he has the straps, and another one where he doesn't. That's if you had the hairpiece, but he didn't come with the hairpiece. And of course, there's more 3D-ish like printing detail onto like all the other bodies, you know. So he's got like two straps, a belt, his shield, where like it's silver this time, but this time it's, you know, it's printed on. It's not a red shield. It's you know, because, you know, they give the blue a more lighter color. And yeah, it looks good. Comes with brown gloves. I was kind of hoping that he would come with leg printing, but I mean, well, they didn't ever really do that for any, you know, Lego sets that he's in. If you had the Peggy card minifigure, you could just, you know, take those legs, put it on here, boom. Sorry, I forgot to mention that for Thor too. I mean, I was kind of hoping he would have leg printing, but so I decided to take these little legs here from Bucky Barnes from the mystery minifigures. I mean, I got two of those. So I just put them on here, and yeah, it's kind of better. Right, on to the set itself. Now, let's start with the vehicles. So here we have Captain America's motorcycle. Now, we've actually got a few sets with him on the motorcycle itself, and well, there's been like a lot of alternate versions, and this one is the most accurate to the movie. So let me just take his shield off, just like that. Yeah, nice, nice. Matches his suit. Now here we have the Doom buggy that Black Widow and Hawkeye was riding on, and well, I'm not sure if this is a Shield or an Avengers car, or maybe it was maybe it's a Hydra truck I'm sorry, Hydra Doom buggy that was hijacked. And well, I do love like how it's modeled, you know, like well, I did look back into the opening scene, and well, there was like a spare tire that was like being held right here. Maybe I can find a way to add that there. So it comes with like two backpacks. I mean, that's super cool that they put them there. So looks like on the front here that like it's carrying some tools, which is also cool. Like it's carrying a shovel and a pickaxe. Do love the front here with the little headlights and the little battery ram. And I do like this, you know, like this little thing they got here. I mean, making it look like a Doom buggy itself. That's super cool. Well, there's no doors. I think there were doors in the movie. I may need to look back into the opening scene. Like, so like the steering wheel, little gear shift, and yeah, those little things that show you how fast you're going, how much gas you have left. Yeah, and the Hydra Fortress. Now, this, well, I mean, this is pretty much like a display set, because like because you can see like all these clear pieces they got here. I mean, these were just to hold the minifigures in place. And well, I mean, there is one play feature right here. So here we have a little Hydra bunker. Of course, it's got like the little stud shooters here, the new ones. Looks very similar to the movie, and just yeah, like that. Right here though, since Hulk is the one who destroys the bunker, just oh my gosh, I just realized that was broken. Anyone want to deal with that bunker? Poosh. Oh, hold on. Try that again. Poosh. Oh, oops. There we go. Ooh, I just knocked down a tree. I do like how this is modeled though. I do like this. I mean, yeah, it looks pretty good. It looks like an actual bunker itself. I guess that's the little peephole for like anyone who's like underneath just shooting at Barton. Yeah, there's that. I do love how these trees are modeled, you know, like a very forest vibe with a little bit of snow on top. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Of course, we got that what's it called? Something that they use for war, like you just like for higher ground, you know, like for snipers and all that. Like you just hide your soldier up there. You know, we got like those little pouches to like protect you from bullets. I mean, I think they are meant to stop bullets. You just hide in underneath them. It has like a little explosion effect there. I'm not sure where that's from. Maybe from Iron Man. I'm not so sure. Okay, so let me just put all the characters in place. All right, so right here is to hold the car in place because as you can see, it's supposed to be tilted. I guess it's because it ran over. I mean, it hit whatever these things were. I mean, I've seen them in a lot of war movies, and I have no idea what they're meant for. I guess to block bullets as well. So you just yep, there you go, like that. All right, that is all I got for this video. So, oh my god, this guy looks so good on the shelf. All right, so anyways, thank you all so much for watching. Have an awesome day. I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.